Samsung just accidentally spilled the beans. What's up guys, we're back with the latest news. We'll be taking a look at a massive blunder that Samsung just made by confirming one of their hottest and the most awaited upcoming Galaxy device. But before we get into all that juicy stuff, let's talk about some leaks regarding the Samsung Galaxy S22 flagship lineup. Now as we know, Samsung switched to 3 flagship strategy back with Galaxy S10 series, and ever since that they've kept that all the way up to S21 lineup. Now it turns out for the upcoming Galaxy S22 lineup, they're once again going to keep the same diversity. According to the exclusive leak coming from Twitter leakster Tron, and of course further confirmed by Ice Universe, the code name for Galaxy S22 is Rainbow. As for the individual device code, you can see it says RGB, R for base Galaxy S22, G for Galaxy S22 Plus, and B for the S22 Ultra. So once again, 3 smartphone flagship strategy, and honestly it works wonders for Samsung. As we know, not everyone can afford or have the need to buy the absolute ultra flagship, so having the base model at a cheaper price of $800, it's actually really good for consumers. Now for some reason, the code name for the whole S22 lineup is Rainbow. That could be assigned towards a lot of colors, or it could be assigned towards something even big that we don't know. As always, we'll wait and see more in the leaks. Moving on to Samsung's phone of the year device, the Galaxy S21 FE. We already talked about how it's gonna look and what the specs will be, but now Samsung has pretty much officially confirmed that the S21 FE exists, and it's not that far from official coming. According to the news, Samsung Mexico accidentally mentioned Galaxy S21 FE on their official website, which is absolutely crazy. Samsung definitely needs to look at their management, because a couple of days ago they accidentally revealed the names of all the laptops that they announced at the PC Unpacked event in a YouTube description. So yeah, if anyone had any doubt, the S21 FE is coming, and it's probably coming very soon. Also in the news, guys, I know Samsung, they watch my videos, and I'm the only one that was really calling this trifold Galaxy foldable smartphone as Galaxy Fold S. Turns out, as uncovered by Let's Go Digital, Samsung officially trademarked the word as foldable. So yeah, there's a huge possibility that Samsung might call their trifold Galaxy monster as Galaxy Fold S. So that's all the latest news. I'm super excited for the upcoming Galaxy S22 lineup. Once again, 3 devices, more options, better win for consumer. Let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section below. Why would Samsung use Rainbow as the code name for the S22 lineup? Do you think it's a sign towards something big like an under-display camera? Let me know your thoughts down below in the comments. If you guys are new here, be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.